Ribhoi Dorbar kisian kan sayo laga jong ka Ïingdorbar ka bapura lani ka Ophis trikam ka bapaka haba menin ka sni la Plie yo Mawnongrim hakas nong umsning Ribhoi district yo Mawnongrim mantai ya kan ka Ïingdorbar lani ka Ophis trikam la Plie da u additional deputy commissioner jong Ribhoi district uraja Brahma angkat ge donlang ru kinengilam jong ka Ribhoi Dorbar kinengilam snong bat kamjuru kiwi pat kiri rong ba jong kan dikatany haga jelang Plie yo ni Mawnongrim la donlang ru video jong ka umsning oba ildo ang taginangiram jong ka Ribhoi Dorbar at kamjuru kiwi dia kipai ba nong song habakran hakan ni ka jelang o raja Brahma ula yathu ba kumnu le le tinge ba trishtam man pinyo ya ka scheme na kwanta bantai ya kan ni ka Ïingdorbar nakaliang kinangiram jong ka Ribhoi Dorbar kilapan pau ka jong sokman na ka banta o raja Brahma ula le trishtam na ka man pinyo ya ka scheme bantai ni ka Ïingdorbar ya ka bagilapan pau ba kan jarap ka bahrau na ka banta kan ni ka Dorbar
kendo grup jong bak sadap jong Ribhoi Dorbar member jong Ribhoi Dorbar ngalong confused belong the people whose age are 50 plus 60 plus yes they say age is just a number it's a mind and brain they're young dynamic and they walk like extraordinary people nado belong video ba sadap awan orang ngala ada bio taka sanction sir Dr. Dorbar Karluki ada sanction mengenai Ribhoi Dorbar tengah aku mau video ru nado mencangi ni wat lat mo ke skim ni ngin pinkop mo men ai Dorbar mo tak tien molong Ribhoi Dorbar just the name has its weight they ni pat ni so un ongkum nong ni mdan ke skim ai boro pinkop men ai Ribhoi Dorbar mo and I first of all, thanks Dr. Dorbar Karluki. Thank you, sir, being an MP Rajya Sabha member and your feeling towards the development of Ribhoi is immense, sir. Thank you, sir. Kumba who adopt mo Segi village for Mawnongrim when but Trikam sir belong Sakeva is beyond my imagination. Like one rat development, but coordination kumba block Segi village, which is zero funded mo along Mentangi land target belong it is 100 crore projects. So a man with the quality belong for the development. Come tam lai I perkat ba ya Ribhoi. Tinga I kuble ya MP sir sa. Na I kuble shibon ya bar ni member jang Ribhoi Dorbar. Ya perlok ba don coklat ru. Ya come tam lai video ru dan ne JE. Ya bora. Tinga kemen mentas ni dan rangkat dan PI yang telat men play bo mau Mawnongrim hang ni. Jadi it will be a memorable, day for me in my lifetime. It is a history making for me. I am part of it. The laying foundation stone for Ribhoi Dorbar is just a beginning. Let the project complete in as per the Ophis. Then the things will follow. I'm very sure many other other projects like Bangkok parking. For sanitation toilet, your electrification for solar and all will be in the pipeline for water supply. We'll see it. Whatever we can incorporate, we'll help you. Since the name itself belongs Kumba Ribhoi Dorbar, it's not only an asset to the headman, Kumba member jang, but it's an asset jang the Ribhoi. There is a symbol of a love, a symbol of development for the people of Ribhoi district as a whole. And being a senior members from the Ribhoi Dorbar, we and myself PD from the district administration on behalf of all, we are with you for the development and the coordination with you. We hope that the project goes well and we are always there to help.